Hello, my friends. My today's subject is scissor. Yes, I am going to unboxing a scissor that has come from the online company, and then I am going to compare it with another scissor which is generally used for paper cutting. So, friends, let's go. Hi, friends. I am going to open the packet now. Yes, I am going to open the packet. Yes, it is showing Amazon.in means for India. See the Amazon.in logo and the other side. Here is all the peripherals and accessories about the product. Yes, all the details about the product. C147 the product rupees and COD for cash on delivery. And it is the company name. Yes, the company name from which I have gotten the product sold by Craft Seeds. And peripherals, here is my name. Yes, this is it to my name. Actually, here is my name where the product is delivered. One by one, CC to Ankush Vikas Pradhan Bhavan, Aladharpur, and my PIN number, and West Bengal, and then phone number, and the landmark. Yes, and the company name, and the law constitution period, etc., and the barcode here to keep the all details in one place, and the weight is here, and again the shift address, again the barcode. You can see the details here. You are seeing the details and delivery ground here. Here is the details of the products, but all are blanks here, as it is given into the packet. All is blank here, and you can see it is my confirmation note. Ankush Vikas will confirm that good purchased are. See, it is my confirmation note, and here is the details, and I am showing you again this is chair. See, right, so let's go to the back side. Yes, I am preparing to cut the packet now. I am going to cut the packet. Yes, I am taking my pair of scissors, and through this scissor I am going to cut my packet. Yes, I am taking my scissor from this side. You have to feel comfortable before cutting, and you have to choose the side. So no, this is not. So I am choosing another side. Yes, this side. This side will be comfortable to cut, and I am doing so. I am cutting the packet like this. Yes, I am cutting one by one. Yes, I am cutting the packet. Yes, it's almost done. My cutting is almost done. Yes, here. Now I can open my product from the packet. Yes, I have opened the product from my packet. Yes, at first the bill. Yes, the bill of Amazon.in for my product, but I don't know why two wheel is provided to me here, but I think it is a mistake. What has to bill? See the billing address means the address of my friend who have sued me to buy this product, and this is my address where it is delivered, and you are seeing this too. And here are the details about it. All the details is showing here. The invoice details is here, and the sold company is here. Yes, it's quite good. It is showing quite good here. Yes. See the unit price, and all the prices here. I mean, total price is also here. Now let's bring it. Yes, the actual product. Here is the actual product. The actual product is here. The company is here from his guideline. The price is showing, but it is quite different from my purchase price. I don't know why. So after using it, I have to cut this fleshy plastic. I think this fleshy plastic is used to prevent outer edges. So I am cutting it. Yes, I must cutting it. Yes, yes, I am using and cutting this type, this type here. The product is opened. Is the packet, the actual packet. Here's the actual packet. See the details, and ideal for means I can use in these places: home, office, industry, school, decoration, fashion, art, etc. And my intention is to compare it with another type plain scissor. Now I am opening this scissor. How it is, I am showing you at first. See, the handle is quite sturdy. The blades are also quite sturdy and heavy. Yes, comparison with other scissor. Yes, see this. The plain scissor is like this. Yes, it is a Munich or branded, and this is quite sturdy. I think it is for kitchen use and garden use. So it is so. So so they have given a sturdy note. Then go here, here, here. Yes, I am going outside to show you the actual difference. At first I am cutting a paper with a normal scissor like this. It is a paper, but it is quite heavy, at least like a board, but the the run is smooth here, and the operation is very smooth with this scissor. You are seeing this, the operation is very smooth. I have gotten a smooth operation here. Quite smooth operation is here, but here this type of paper, here is also operation is quite smooth through this type of scissor. Yes, very smooth operation is here. It is giving a smooth operation. And my intention is to show you the difference, but no, this cannot be done with this. So I have to get another scissor. See this, We'll see. Yes, press and cut. Very easy cut, like any garden scissor. Actually, it is used for gardening. See how it is. Press and cut movement is easy as the paper. Yes, the previous scissor is for paper, but it is for the garden and kitchen. See, press and cut movement here. Yes, I'm showing. Yes, pressing and cutting. No, no, this watch cannot be cut with it. You must need a signature here. And here. That's now bye bye today.